What's up, everyone? Mr. Friday is back.
Take me to Neverland.
It's been a while, and I am sorry for that. I've been doing daddy duties. I have a 5-month-old daughter now, so I've been doing daddy duties. Plus, Rufio, not a lot of work has been done to the MR2. I've recorded a couple of things in the past, maybe about 4 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, of me installing the intake manifold, putting in the motorsports wiring harness from VRF Designs. So I have previous videos from that. But I kind of want to let you in on what's going to happen this year. I will try to be a little bit more consistent on the videos. So it's not going to be the MR2 stuff. I got some stuff planned out with Speed Vegas, where I'm going to be doing some reviews on cars. I will also be finishing up this car hopefully within the next couple of weeks. I'm very close. More of it is the wiring. I have a couple of things on that. But let's go and show you my progress so far. Alright, let's open her up. I know everyone likes this. Yeah. And yeah, cut towards me, right? Ugh. Let's put her down. What? Dang. New coils? Dang. There is the R8 coils. I put in a Vibrant vacuum manifold. I installed my, the Mac valve boost controller right there on the wall. I'm trying to make everything cleaner, as clean as I could. Got new fuel lines. Got the Radium fuel pressure regulator, fuel rail. Let's go on the other side. Other side right here. Yeah, I'm still working on the harness, trying to figure out where everything should go, route them correctly. So what I'm going to do today is install the throttle pedal. It is a RAV4 throttle pedal. I have the throttle pedal adapter plate. This is from RAT2. Look them up. Pretty nice. I'm going to install that for you. It's very simple install. And then I'm going to put it on the pedal onto this. And then I have to finish up the wiring for the pedal to go from the front to the back to the ECU. I'm adding extra switches also. My momentary switch, that's going to go for launch control. I need to install this relay for the throttle by wire. What else do I got? I got a couple more switches. This toggle is going to be for race mode. And I have another switch. Let's see if we can find it. this switch is gonna be for anti-lag. So I got a couple of switches. Gonna be for anti-lag. So I'm gonna have all those three: race mode, launch control, anti-lag in the car once it is all tuned up. So I guess let's go and start to do the install on the pedal. I guess we can do some sort of install, right? So hold on, let me get set up, get some lighting in, because it's dark underneath the dash. So let's get to work. And let's see how to take this off. And the pedal's out. Look at that. That's simple. Alright, so that plate's in. I had it upside down when I installed it, so it didn't fit. So I put it the right side up. Got all that still. Now let's go ahead and put on the throttle. Or yeah, let's go through, put on the throttle pedal on. What's in the way? Speedo cable. Oops, sorry. There you have it. Throttle pedal is in. Looks pretty cool. I will probably end up getting some pedal pads. Well, let's see how we can heel toe first. Let's see if I can heel toe. Oh, the pedal feels nice. Pretty long. Yeah, it'll work. She will work. Alright, so change of plans. I did put in the, what do you call it, the throttle pedal in. Got some wiring done a little bit, but someone woke up. Who's this? Say hello. So this is Helen Emery. Does she look like me? For short, we call her Hemi. Hemi. She's gonna help out in the garage for right now. But yeah, I'm just gonna do some wiring real quick. She's gonna hang out in the back. We have connector. This is for the throttle pedal. I'm going to connect these oranges. That's our 5 volts. Greens, our sensor ground, and all these. And I'm going to put it through sheathing, things like that, and start trying to line everything up. So here we go. Alright, here's the second thing. If you are going to wire it up yourself, this is for a 2GR RAV4 throttle pedal. Kind of wrote it down. So EP, anything with EP, that is going to be your ground, your sensor ground. Anything with VCP, that is going to be your 5 volt source. VPA, that is going to be your position, accelerator position 1 and 2. And you're going to have to wire that in your link ECU. 1 is VCP, so that is your 5 volts. 4, number 4 pin is VCP also, so that's all 5 volt source. EP, that's earth, so that's going to be your sensor ground. Anything in between, the VPA, anything VP, is going to be that. So I have my connector here, and it's hard to see that there's a 1N6 on it, so I kind of go through there. So let's go ahead and put stuff together. Okay, so Hemi wasn't liking it, and Rufio, I had to pick Rufio up, and this is the two nights afterwards. I only got as far as, let me set you down. I only got as far as connector to the throttle pedal. I get it all in here. This little loom. Tied it off right over here for more wires, and it branches off to another set of wires, and this is going to go to all my switches. All branched out, and this whole harness back here, or at least all these wiring is going to get pulled over to the back and routed. I made it a little bit longer, everything for fitment. So until I have time again to work on the car, it should be up. I ordered a couple more parts. Coupler for the intake for the throttle body, it's a 3-inch, and I have pipe that is 2.5, so I had to get a 90-degree reducer. And I ordered a 2.5-inch tubing, or stainless steel tube, for the intercooler piping. Hopefully I can get that welded up soon, and get this car running, because I miss it. So if you if you came and watched this long, please comment, subscribe, like. And as you can kind of tell, I don't have much time. I do a lot of work already, or I work a lot at Speed Vegas. So I'm going to be doing videos out there, doing some reviews of all the cars that we own. Possibly even a Supra versus all the supercars, giving you times, or at least comparing the two cars. I might start off with the Supra, in order for you to get an idea of how it drives. And this is all bone stock. It's a 2021 Supra, the A91. And then I'll probably compare it to the Porsche Cayman after that. Kind of give you an idea of price differences and drivability between the two on track. Till next time, this is Mr. Friday. See you later. Peace out.
Take me to Neverland.